This video is for entertainment and or reaction purposes only. The information in this video is all alleged. Greetings, Ascending Nation. So I'm coming to you with another channel message. So the subject for this channel message, as you see in the title, is family pictures. Okay. So some of I use oracle cards. Some of the oracle cards I may mention, some I may not, because I do have pretenders who watch my channel just to try to copy, and to protect my brand I'd rather not give out my ideas. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first oracle deck I used was my truth teller oracle deck. So we have someone thinks you belong to them. Okay, so when I did get this subject, which is family pictures, I did pick up that somebody is using your pictures, your photos, family photos. So I'm picking up two things now. The initial thing that I picked up was someone is using it in picture magic. Okay. The second thing I'm picking up is someone could be reminiscing. Okay. So it says someone thinks you belong to them. Then we have incest. Okay. Then after that, it says the truth will always destroy a lie. So I feel like something is coming out. It came out right behind the incest card. So I feel like something is coming out as far as incest is involved. Next we have property manager involved. Okay, so property manager came out as well. Okay, so something surrounding a property manager could be using family pictures to do some type of spell work. Okay, I'm hearing something too, and something about a court case as well. Next, I used another oracle deck that I won't mention. So from that oracle deck, I got "You Are the Father." Okay, and definitely take what resonates. What doesn't, do not feel obligated to make it fit to your situation or your life. Then we have twins. Okay, next I used my love oracle, my love oracle deck. So the first card says stabbed in the back, and it says heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, shocking attack. So with this, I just feel like it's surrounding this incest. It's surrounding the incest. It could have something to do with somebody being the daddy or the pappy of someone. Um, yeah, yeah. It's just it's a lot I'm picking up, but I'm trying to like separate it. It's a lot I'm picking up here. Um, I'm picking up like a brother sister situation going on. Spirit is just telling me to say it. It could be involving some twins. Okay, these could be older twins. I'm picking up older twins. I'm picking up children whom are already here. Okay. So the next card we have Cupid's arrow, and it says have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation, or meeting, and then it says hesitation. Okay, so I feel like that someone could possibly be bringing in information on this, which goes back to the card that came out from my truth teller oracle. It says the truth will always destroy a lie. Okay, so I feel like it is information that could be coming towards you involving this situation. Okay, and I'm also picking up something about hidden photos, hidden pictures as well. Next, I have some astrological signs, some zodiac signs that came out. These signs don't necessarily have to be your sun, moon, or rising. Okay, they can be anywhere in your natal chart, and it will be a link down below for you to get a free natal chart if you're interested. So the first sign that came out was Cancer. Okay, and it says immerse. And April, the number 4 is on this card. You could be seeing triple fours, and the month of April could be of some significance. Then we have Sagittarius. It says expand. The month of September can be of some significance. Then we have Scorpio. It says investigate. And the month of 8, I mean, I said a month of 8 because I'm getting downloads, y'all. The month of August could be of some significance. So investigate on this card stood out to me, and I feel like this right here is uncovering something and bringing it to the light. Okay. Then we have Pisces, and we have sensitized. The number 12 can be of some significance. You also could be seeing triple eights. So the number 12 can be of some significance. 1212 you could be seeing as well. Okay, you could be someone who also likes flowers or scorpions, fish, stuff like that. The month of December can be of some significance as well. So that is everything that I have for you all for this message. I hope you enjoy. If you did, definitely thumbs up this video, and I'll talk to you in your next reading.